Saka indrega kusura lipstick yangu yepepo. Hazviti nei.
Mama, uya kudhara like zvashandiswa zvakudhara ma 1990 uko.
Kweni ndiri 19 chi?
Mama, but generation izvezvi kamufana catch.
But ndisi generation izvezvi.
Kamufana catch up. You have to catch up. Can you imagine mama is still using purple lipstick?
Saka lipstick yacho yepepo ndinoita sei? Muri kuti ndorasha.
Mama, it's old fashioned.
Exactly, it's old fashioned. I'm telling you, I want to teach her the combo, the one you draw with the pencil.
That's in fashion.
And then you put mesa oil.
The pencil thing.
The pencil, multi gloss, multi like a brownish. Brownish lip gloss.
In 2024. She's not
yes. So 2024 and second session purple lipstick.
Put it in Halloween if you want to.
Halloween?
Yeah.
Yes. Any guys and the same 2000
so red, mama, red like if you want to apply red.
But don't put it like
don't just
over.
Put it
just put lip gloss.
You mix it
on top.
Don't mix it.
This first, then the red lip gloss. With then you put the gloss on top to no pain.
Oh, saka nditanga ndazora inozichi ndadhirowa muromo wangu nechocho icho saka ndodhirowa nechi
brown.
One brown kuti black.
It's not black, brown.
All right.
Black.
Saka ndofanga kushasa black.
Brown.
All right, black. Saka black achaiti. Ndiye namberi yani.
Black aitoshandisi. Makona mnachitonga black eyeliner varungu because they use it for.
They use it for the eyebrows. Yes. They don't have eyebrows.
Yes, for the eyebrows.
Okay. Saka
brown.
All right.
So after you draw your lips, you apply the red
lipstick.
Yes, you apply it, and then muchwaga lip gloss no very clear. Then you apply.
Kanti ndotora yako zvinombozora ndomboshama yashani.
Iyo yandakatenga ndakakuratidza yeye ndio inozoka pamusoro yeye.
Okay.
Then mufamba mchipenga muromo chipenga.
Saka ndida kuti nditi ba lipstick kuti ba.
Inonyazoti ba.
All right. Asi ndichipenya.
Muchipenya.
This one you should give it to a kid. This is for kids now.
Which kids?
Any kid. This.
Are you talking about yourself?
I want people to use this. I want people to use.
Okay, if you are not going to use it, leave it like that. I'll use it myself because they are my things. Hey, these are my things.
Guys, don't let mama lipstick our mama. Just look at this.
Old fashioned.
This is old fashioned.
Now I gonna quite old fashioned is look
at this.
It's
one eye lip glossy.
Don't do it.
Don't one eye.
What is this?
If you are applying this, you mix. In this generation, you
but
mix.
So can I mix the purple and red?
No.
You don't mix it like.
You wait, mix that two not should be there. Purple and red. And these things we try.
Purple and red.
Try it on me.
Come here. And you want it though. Do this. Let me use pink.
Did you not use that?
No, I used the red one. Now mix. See, look at that. Look at that. Is it not perfect? Mix colors.
Okay.
Play with lipstick.
All right.
You see, you see, that's because it's red. Cannot pink. Yato emeru. Mix colors. And I'm chapping.
And you use this
from the bottom. I'm gonna eat your footage. Come here. You drop azasi like this. Muchienda makaenda. And then on top. Mix. Remove it. Just look at that.
And don't use Vaseline, please. Don't.
So why are we still buying Vaseline here? Because you must use Vaseline. You are a kid.
Vaseline for your face. Don't put Vaseline on your lips. It will be so embarrassing.
Boys are white. Someone who applies Vaseline on their lips, they'll become white here.
Okay. So now you took my lipstick and we're putting on your face and your neck. Your face is got lipstick like as if you are maroon red or something that you're putting on your neck and your furs. And your furs. Just try to remove them.
Do you know what I was trying to do?
No. You were trying to mix the colors, right?
I was trying to mix the color exactly.
Okay.
So I applied the red here and I was going to put pink, then a blend, then a foundation. Kelly knows what I was trying to do.
She was trying to prank you.
Okay. All right. Now what I feel, guys, I will not use the purple anyway, but I will use it, but I will mix. But sometimes but sometimes, yes, but sometimes like tomorrow I'm going to do purple like that. Yes.
Don't even come with me. Don't walk with me at town if you have purple. Don't even come near my school with purple lipstick because I act like you are strange.
I'll come to school with a purple lipstick mixed with red.
Mom.
Okay, let's go and cook. Big decide. I don't usually watch because the thing like said.